Let's learn how to import and export data in MySQL. At the end of this presentation, we would know different ways of exporting and importing data, how to export database in MySQL, how to import database in MySQL. Different ways of doing it are, it can be done graphically via phpMyAdmin, or we can use SSH tunnel for MySQL along with third-party tool. Or we can use MySQL command line prompt. Let's see how to import and export data graphically via phpMyAdmin. Steps to export are: log in to phpMyAdmin, select the database, click on Export tab, click Select All so that the tables in your database are selected. Under Export tab, click on SQL, select the structure and data, click on Save File As and choose the preferred compression format. For example, to provide a zip folder, click on Zip. Finally, click on Go. So MySQL data automatically starts downloading into your default browser destination. Let's see how to import database from phpMyAdmin. Before doing this, a database must be created and privileges must be assigned to it. So, log in to cPanel with your username and password. Click on MySQL databases. Then, create your new database by entering its name. Click on Add Database, then enter the username and password. Click on Add User. Add new user to database by selecting User and Database. Then click on Add User to Database. Then click on phpMyAdmin. After logging into phpMyAdmin, click on Import menu. Then locate the SQL file on your computer. Finally, click on Go. That completes importing data. But this method has certain limitations. It is not usually preferred when we have to download very large files. So, the best way to do it is using command line. Let's see how to export data through command line prompt. Here we use MySQL dump, which is a tool to export and import database. It is used to back up the database, or using MySQL dump, we can move databases from one server to the other. Let's see how to export data as a backup. In order to do this, use MySQL dump -u username ppassword database name. Mention your file with SQL extension. Replace the username and password and database with your username, password and database details. Now this file would contain the backup file. Let's see how to import database through command line. We can import it from another MySQL server, or it can be restored from the backup file. In order to do it, first upload the file with SQL extension to the server and then run the command MySQL -u username -ppassword database name your file with SQL extension. Here replace the username, password and database name with your details. So what are the other ways of exporting and importing data? Data can be imported from an XML source, or we can retrieve from MySQL in XML format. Delimited data can be exported or imported from Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Access. So now you can import or export data from your choose server or through backup file.